Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable biometric login on Chime app. First, open the Chime app on your iPhone and sign in using your email and password. Once you are logged in, tap the profile icon using the bottom of the screen. Look for the security center and go into it. Inside the security center, you will see a section, a passkey, face ID and touch ID. A passkey is Chime's way to letting you log in using your Face ID or Touch ID instead of password. Tap this option and set up biometric login or enable passkey. Your phone will ask you to confirm using your identity with Face ID or Touch ID. Just follow the on-screen steps. Once confirmed, the Chime app will save your biometric login. Now next time you open the app, you will see the option to sign up using with your Face ID or Touch ID instead of typing your password. If you don't see the biometric login option inside the app, here's how to quick fix. Open the setting app. In the search bar, type Chime app and make sure the Face ID and biometric access is turned on for the Chime app. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.